Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, February 28th, 2025, we're analyzing Intel, ticker symbol Intel. We'll be discussing the recent news and doing some technical analysis based on candlestick chart data to make informed trading decisions. Recent news suggests potential takeover talks involving TSMC and Intel, as well as Intel's challenges in the AI chip market. There's even speculation about a mystery company, perhaps Elon Musk, considering an acquisition. We'll correlate these events with the recent candlestick data and movements of the stock. Let's start with the daily chart. We can see a period of strong growth followed by a period of sharp correction and then an attempt to stabilize at the lower price range. Let's narrow into the more recent data. Zooming in on the daily chart from February 3rd, 2025 to today, we see a choppy pattern after a large upward swing and then a sharp plummet. This coincides with Intel's Q4 2024 earnings reports released in late January. The recent fall in price also may be due to Trump's talk about new chip import restrictions. We see some support around the $22.50 to $23 range, but the overall trend has been downward recently. A break below $22.50 could signal further bearish momentum in the short term, while breaking above $24 may signal a recovery. Long term, much hinges on Intel's foundry business and AI strategy success. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart to get a more granular view of recent price action. This will give us a better sense of short-term trends and potential entry or exit points. Here we are filtering to candles within the last couple of weeks to get a better view. On the 1-hour chart, we can see consolidation in the last few days around the $23 level. There's a potential resistance around $23.40. If it breaks above this level, it may become a support for some time. However, if it breaks below the $23 level, then it may be an area of resistance. The hourly chart is showing choppy sideways action right now. Finally, let's move to the 15-minute chart for a very short-term perspective. This is most useful for day traders looking for quick opportunities. Let's focus on the last couple days. With a bit more information, we can see the stock bounce between $23 and $24. It's struggling to break above $24, though it may happen with upcoming news or events. It seems unlikely to drop below $23 for some time, but it's possible if there's a series of major unexpected global events. This is unlikely, but if the conditions do appear to be in place, expect this to happen. A recent key price level was around $24.70, where it tested support, but this may not be reliable in the future.